Hey there. Today I've got something really cool to unbox, something I've been really excited about. It's the Spider-Man PlayStation 5 bundle. So we got the console, controller, and the game all themed for the upcoming release of Spider-Man 2. So this is my first time that I've been diving into a PlayStation 5, so let's go ahead and jump in. Unboxing, really excited. Don't really know what I'm gonna get into, so the outside we've got some really cool artwork, so that's really unique for this. I assume, I don't know, I haven't opened one. Getting on inside, very plain white box. Let's get this out of the way. Onto the box. Let's see what's in here. All right. Looks like we need to slide this out. It's got some little instructions on here. Gotta get this guy out of here. So I guess we're gonna look at the accessories first. So on here we've got our quick start guide. Don't think I'll be reading this. All right, we've got a nice themed controller wrapped up. We've got some red in here on the side, nice Spider-Man logo in the center. It's black, it's textured on the back, which is really nice. And then we got the nice contrast of the red for Spider-Man. I'm excited to get to play this. Man, really cool. On the inside, it looks like we've got a bundled USB-C cable, power cord, safety guide, and then looks like a stand as well, and then an HDMI cable as well. Jumping back to the controller, really nice. It's got a nice feel on the R1, R2 buttons. Coming from an Xbox, this is really cool. Really just excited about the look and the feel of the controller. Getting onto the console. Let's see. It's tucked in there real nice and well. So it's wrapped pretty nicely. Oh, hidden in here. I was looking for this. We got our Spider-Man 2. Looks like the redeem code is available starting October 20th, 2023. So keep that for later. And then the console here, absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Got to look at that right next to the controller. Very beautiful look. Got nice black. Got the contrast of the red, Spider-Man logo in white. Controller, absolutely amazing. On the back side, let's see. Just got the black center. You got your Spider-Man logo. Would have been nice to see something different on the center. Looks like exact same for both normal and your limited edition console, but it is cool nonetheless. I have heard that you can pick this controller up separately, so you can purchase one of those, and if you're lucky enough, you can buy the plate separately as well. So if you are looking for this, you are an existing PlayStation owner, you can get your existing PlayStation to look exactly like this. It is a nice pair. I'm happy that I picked it up, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.